Do you feel like your muscles are getting weaker as you get older? You're not alone. Many seniors are losing strength and fast. But here's the shocking part. There's one simple vitamin missing in most senior diets that could be the real reason why your muscles are vanishing. And even worse, some of the most common foods we eat every day are silently damaging our aging bodies. But don't worry, we'll break it all down in today's video. Welcome to Gentle Wellness, helping you stay strong, healthy, and happy as you age. Let's begin with a simple truth. As we get older, we naturally lose muscle. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it can begin as early as your 50s. By the time you're in your 70s, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle mass if you don't take action. That means more weakness, more falls, more hospital visits. But the good news is this can be slowed down and even reversed. And the first step? Getting enough vitamin D in your daily diet. Yes, vitamin D is this sunshine vitamin, but it's also a muscle protector. It helps your body absorb calcium, supports your bones, and keeps your muscles working properly. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles weaken silently. Many older adults don't get enough vitamin D because they spend less time in the sun. Their skin doesn't produce vitamin D as efficiently. Their diet is low in vitamin D-rich foods. So where can you get it from? Here are some top sources of vitamin D. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines. Fortified milk or orange juice. Eggs, especially the yolk. Mushrooms exposed to sunlight. Now, here's the tricky part. Some foods that seem healthy may actually block the way your body uses vitamin D or harm your muscles in other ways. One of the biggest silent offenders is processed foods, especially those high in sugar and refined carbs. Things like white bread, sugary cereals, packaged snacks, sweetened drinks. These foods cause inflammation in the body. And when your body is inflamed, it becomes harder to build and maintain muscle. In fact, long-term inflammation can speed up muscle breakdown without you even realizing it. Another sneaky culprit? Too much red or processed meat. Now, meat does have protein, which is good for muscles. But eating too much bacon, sausages, or processed deli meats can increase harmful fats and salt in the body. Over time, this can raise your risk of heart disease, joint problems, and make your muscles feel stiff or sore. Also, be careful with too much alcohol or caffeine. They can lead to dehydration, and when your body is low on fluids, your muscles don't work properly. Dehydrated muscles are more likely to cramp, weaken, or ache. So what should you eat instead? Focus on muscle-friendly foods that work with your body as it ages. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, full of magnesium and calcium. Nuts and seeds, rich in vitamin E and healthy fats. Beans and lentils, packed with protein and fiber. Fruits like bananas and oranges, loaded with potassium to prevent cramps. And here's a tip. Try to include a source of protein in every meal. Even small amounts, like eggs at breakfast or a handful of almonds as a snack, can keep your muscles fueled throughout the day. But food is just one piece of the puzzle. In the next part, we'll look at how lifestyle habits like walking, light strength training, and even good sleep help activate the benefits of vitamin D and keep your muscles strong. Let's talk about movement, because even the best diet won't work without regular physical activity. As we age, it's tempting to slow down, rest more, and move less. But staying still is one of the fastest ways to lose muscle. The good news? You don't need a gym or heavy weights to keep your muscles strong. Simple daily habits like a 30-minute walk, light stretching in the morning, chair exercises, lifting small weights, or even water bottles. These small actions wake up your muscles, improve balance, and help your body use the nutrients you eat, especially vitamin D, more effectively. And don't forget about sunlight. Vitamin D from the sun is still one of the best sources. Just 15 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight on your hands, face, or arms can boost your levels naturally, without a pill. But if you live in a colder area or can't get much sun, your doctor may recommend a vitamin D supplement. Always check your levels before starting, because too much can be harmful too. Now, here's a surprising fact. Sleep is also deeply connected to muscle health. During deep sleep, your body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue. Poor sleep weakens this process. If you're not sleeping well, your muscles may never fully recover, even if you're eating right and staying active. To improve your sleep, keep a regular bedtime. Avoid caffeine in the evening. Turn off screens 1 hour before sleep. Keep your bedroom cool and quiet. Finally, let's do a quick recap. To protect your muscles as you age, eat more vitamin D-rich foods. Avoid inflammatory processed foods. Stay active with gentle movement daily. Get sunlight or take supplements if needed. Prioritize restful, quality sleep. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. It's never too late to start. You deserve to feel strong, steady, and confident in your body. Here at Gentle Wellness, we're with you every step of the way. Take care of your body, and we'll take care of you.